In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to customize your Android keyboard. Now, before we are going to start, I'm just going to show you how my keyboard is looking right now. So this is how it is as of the moment, as you can see. Now, we're going to go ahead and customize and then come back to this one later. So let's go ahead and open the settings. I'm just going to tap this one right here, and then we're going to go ahead and look for the search bar. So here is a search bar here. I'm going to click this one, and I'm just going to go ahead and type here keyboard. Now, if you're an Android user, you know that there are a lot of UIs that different manufacturers are using. So in order for us to make this easier, we're just going to type it here, keyboard, and then we're going to head over to this one right here. So the default, so system and updates, language and input. And once you are in here, you should be able to see here your default keyboard. So you should be seeing something like this that has a check on it. Now go ahead and click that over there. Now, from this point forward, go ahead and try to look where it says themes. So this is referring to your keyboard themes. Now, there are different styles here. So we have one for gallery and the one that you are using right now that is available in your phone. So I have this one right here. This is what I was showing you earlier. And yeah, we can head over to the gallery in order for us to check a customized one. So if you want to say, for example, use something here that you think is interesting, something that you want to see, say, for example, let's do this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and tap the download button. So I'm just choosing this one because it seems like unique. I don't see anything that has, okay, there you go. This one right here. I think this is pretty good, right? So, yep, that is another thing. So again, you can go ahead and try to download from all the other things that are available here, or you can customize your own, and we're going to do that. So I'm going to head over to custom. Here, I'm going to click start. And what I'm going to do is add an image. So I'm going to click this one right here and basically choose an image from my album. All right, there you go. So I'm just going to choose this one right here. And you can also adjust the background darkness. As you can see, it could go really dark or it could go really light. So it depends on your choice. So I'm just going to settle there. And then I'm going to go ahead and tap done. So once I do that, you should be able to see that now we have the keyboard here. Now, if you want to make this more transparent, you can just head over and undo or untoggle the key borders. There you go. As you can see, it is gone now. So you will have more visibility with regards to the image. So say, for example, I'm going to say, hey, what's up? There you go. So yeah, this is a lot better if, say, for example, you want to customize your own. And that, everybody, is how you're going to customize your Android keyboard.